Alright, here are the chickens. So I throw some over there for the bigger chicken. And then these are my guys. These are my 8 guys. And my buddy Ray at work taught me how to throw some food over for the other bigger chicken that likes to chase these guys away. And these are my dudes. They chase pigeons away. They want more. There we go. There's the final hoopy-doo. Now even the big one's gonna come over, but I didn't have a lot left. So. And holding the camera, it's a little tricky. Hi. These are my guys, though, my 8 dudes. My 8 girls, I guess. Hey! Stop that. Stop that. See, they get rough. I should have saved a little more for this one. I thought I had that one successfully distracted. I'm still learning Ray's technique of gotta make 2 piles. Hey baby, stop that. It makes such a cute sound. Oh, can you not do that to the little ones? Stop, come on. Don't do that. There we go. Exactly. This is for the babies, not for you. Go away. There, I'm successfully blocking the bigger chicken from coming over. Stay over there. No, you can come back. The little one. Come on, come back. There you go. Yeah, you can come back. Go back to your friends. That one got separated. I'm keeping the big black chicken at bay. This is the big black chicken. It wants to come over. She's talking. But anyway, so this is it. This is what I do. And my place is just back over there in the distance. Oh. And that's the 8 little babies I'm talking about that I always feed these guys right here. And then this big black one on the side, not big, but bigger than the 8 babies, is usually nearby. Try to take their food. They're so cute. These are the gang. So the beach is up that way in the distance. Chickens are here. My place back there behind that tree, way in the distance there. And the chickens. Alright gang, I'll see you tomorrow with more. Oh. And get some zebra doves, that's what the little ones are. Pigeons. Those little gray ones are my buds, the zebra doves. I love them. Look how they walk. These are my gang. Alright guys, see you in the morning. Mwah. Love you.